Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will actually use the facial recognition system, and it will analyze the face of a person on various parameters such as what is the gender of this person, how is the emotion which is there in the picture, is it smiling, is it angry. It will analyze the overall picture and it will give you the response back in this JSON response, such as what is the age of the person, what is the gender of the person, is it a male or female, what is the dominant emotion in that picture, is it angry, is it happy, what is the dominant race, black, white, or Middle Eastern. So let me just show you the script here. So it's a simple Python script that I written, and we are actually providing this face here, which is little bit angry face. You will see it's a guy face with a little bit angry. So if I execute the script here, python app.py, so it is using OpenCV and deep face modules of Python. It will open this image, it will detect the emotions, and then automatically it will close and it will create this file here, JSON file, and this will actually contain the information regarding this image. So it actually detected the age of the person is round about 35. The gender here you will see man is 99%, so it's correct. Dominant emotion is angry, you will see, and dominant race is Middle Eastern. So it detected this image correctly, I think. Now if I provide this image, so if I just provide this image here, guy.png, now let's see what happens. Let me just change the file name to analysis result 2.json. So if I run the same script here with a different image, now let's see what happens and what result comes. It will repeat everything. It will open this image, analyze it, and just on various factors, and then it will create this second file here. If you see, now you will see age is 41, man 99%, dominant emotion happy, and dominant race is black. You will see correctly it has recognized the overall picture right here and it given you the responses back. So now let me show you the modules that I used for this application. All the script is given in the description, guys. The link is given in the description, so if you want the full source code you can go to the description of this video. So the very first module we are using is deep face, which is a facial recognition package for Python. Simply install this, the command is simple. Then we are also using OpenCV to actually open the image in a window, so also just install this package as well. The command is simple. And also we are using NumPy, which is also a package for computing data, so also install this as well. So these three packages are there, and now just create a simple app.py file, and let me just show you how to write the script. So first of all we will require the overall modules, the JSON module and the deep face. We need to import the deep face and then import OpenCV CV2, import the operating system module, and then we need to import the NumPy module as well. After that, guys, we just need to provide the image path, whatever image you are actually doing this, and it's a guy. After providing this image path, now we come to if the image exists or not. If the folder exists where we will be holding all the information regarding this image, if the folder doesn't exist, then we will actually create that folder. So if the path doesn't exist, then we will just say the image path not found. And then if the image is valid image, then we'll read this image by OpenCV. This contains a function image read. We will provide this image, the path, then we will simply show this image in the window. So image show, so you will simply show the input image, then we will wait for some time. So wait key 1, so we'll wait for 1 millisecond, small delay, so that we can analyze this image based upon the deep face library. So you will use now this deep face package analyze function it has, and here you provide the various parameters on which you need to analyze the image. So deep face, here we are providing these parameters: what is the age, gender, emotion, race. So these four parameters we are doing it. So this will analyze the image and then it will return you the response. So after that, this overall is the code. Let me paste it. This is just storing the response in a JSON file. This is all that we are doing right in this code right here. We are storing this response in this JSON file. So we are running a for loop and storing everything in a JSON file. So it contains four properties: age, gender, dominant emotion, dominant race. So this is the overall script, guys. Let me just delete everything and again run this. So just say python app.py. So it will open this image. You can see that. Then it is running the models, the facial recognition system, and then it will give you the response here in the JSON file. So you can see that, guys, how easy it is to create this facial recognition system in Python, which will analyze any image that you give to it. So the overall script is given in the description of this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.